Got him. I don't know where that other one went. The other one is starting to fall. It was falling. Fall down dead. See up there. Come here, pups. Come here. Come here. Here, puppies. Come on. And new dogs. New little hound dogs. The squirrel's about to fall off a tree. Let's see if they think about it. Looks like it was right in the lung. There it goes. It's done. The squirrels are finally starting to come back out and be active a lot more. I think they've had their babies now, so I'm going to start hunting them again. The dart I shot this one with was one of the darts I found from one of my last hunts. It was just laying around. That's why it's yellow. So I accidentally pushed stop on the recording, but I hit it right in the heart, lung area. I assume it was just lung, but it barely poked in there. It's my first shot with the blow-dart gun in a long time, probably a month or two. There's another one up there that I might try getting, or might just leave it for another day. Little puppies with me. Just eating the camera. Thanks for watching.